Imagine losing all your photos, files, and work in an instant. Scary, right? Today, I'm giving you the ultimate guide to backing up your data so you'll never have to face that nightmare. Why backups matter? Hard drives fail. Phones get lost. Accidents happen. A proper backup means you always have a copy of your important data. So, ready to restore anytime. So, how to do it? Let's make this super simple. Make sure to have 3 copies of your data, your original file, plus 2 backups. Prepare 2 different storage types, like an extra hard drive and the cloud, and 1 copy stored somewhere else, just in case something happens to your home or office. Follow that rule, and you're golden. Now for external storage, use an external hard drive or SSD. On Windows, you can use File History or backup software. On Mac, Time Machine is your best friend. For cloud storage, services like Google Drive, iCloud, Dropbox, or OneDrive automatically sync and store your files online. You can access them anywhere and restore them instantly. Now, for hybrid backup, do both. That way, if one fails, you still have the other. Manual backups are good, but automated backups are better. Just a reminder, a backup is useless if it doesn't work. Every few months, restore a few files to make sure your backups are actually saving correctly. And that's it. Follow these both cloud and physical backups and you'll be ready for anything. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.